Hey everybody, this is Ryan. Welcome back to the investing channel. In tonight's video, we're going to take a look at CRO. We're going to look at the charts. We're going to see if there's any potential entries or exits. And I got Enzo here. There he is. Anyway, we're going to look at it and we're going to see what we can find out. Okay, I do see some entries. So stay tuned and watch for that. For those of you guys that are new, that's what I do. I document my journey buying crypto and also with stocks. So you guys can kind of monitor and see what I'm doing. And I can prove that I'm making money. Okay, I'm going to show you guys in just a few minutes that I'm making money with crypto. So I have a good percentage ability of choosing entries and exits. Okay, so stay with us and keep watching. And also, if you haven't subscribed, subscribe over here. And there's a little red icon here on the corner of the screen, right over here. And if you could click that and then smack that bell, and you'll be notified as I do more updates on coins. Okay. All right, let me go ahead and keep moving here. Here we go. I got to get to the dog park soon. All right. Here is my Instagram account. For the short videos, because I can't always do an 8 to 10 minute one, please go over here to Instagram and pull me up over here, investing points, and then click the follow button when it appears there. Okay. And then I'll pop in little videos here. I've also set up a Twitter account. I don't know how much I'm going to use Twitter, but I'll try. It's the same username. You can go over to Twitter. You can follow me over there. I just set that one up like yesterday. Somebody asked me to. Okay. So let's go back over here. So let's take a look here. This is Tradingview. If you're not using Tradingview and you want a 30-day trial on it, I highly suggest it. I think you'll like it. There's a link down below in the description of this video here on YouTube. So let me share with you guys that are new, that are just coming across my channel. What happens is more often than not, when price action drops below bases that I've drawn here, you will see that it swings back up. Okay. So let me show you a few confirmations of that. Right there, it broke that base. It went way down. Everyone's selling down here. And then over here, it came back up and it touched that line. Here it broke it and came back up real quick, touched that line right there, a real quick one. Here's a couple right here. Here's one right here. And then here's another one over here. This one broke right here. And then I'll show you guys here in just a second on that one. And we'll explain it here in just a second. This one right here broke right there. Waited a while. That was back in January. And it just hit one little dinky line, ding, right there on February 10th. Okay, so roughly a little over a month. Over here, it broke it real quick, came back up. It broke it right there. It came back up. It broke it right there and made its way back up. And bam, right there, it hit right over here. It broke that one and came back up. A little one right there, just a tiny little one. Okay, there's another one right there. So if you guys are like, okay, that's interesting, please look down below the video and give me a thumbs up. It's a little bit to the right of the center. There's an icon that looks like this. If you could just click on it, doesn't seem like much, but it helps me out quite a bit with the algorithm with YouTube. And it also lets YouTube know that you guys are valuing my information. So if you guys are, remember what I said in the beginning, if you guys are stuck on any coins right now, if you're trading any other coins outside of CRO, let me know in the comments below. Let me know what coin you're in on and what price you paid. And then I'll do a video like this so that you guys can quickly see where you are within this cracking and coming back up. Okay. So you have a pen handy because you're going to need to make some notes here. This is based upon my opinion only. It's not advice. I'm just showing with you guys how I read the charts. So you guys can do whatever you want, but let's go ahead and we'll see what potential entries and exits there are for me to take. Okay, here's another one, broke right there and came back up. This one almost hit it. It'll probably hit it here soon. Even though we're down for the day, I don't worry about that. I worry about the breaking and coming back up. So here's what I'm seeing. I'm seeing right here that these ones have not cracked, but I'm going to work with this top area right here, 0.476. I'm going to call that the top. Okay. So we're only dealing in this little range right here. We're not worried about anything over here. So that's the top. And then the bottom is right around 0.259. Okay. So price action could come down all the way down to here and it could go down a little bit more. It could linger for here for a little bit, but then if it does, it'll come back and it'll touch that line. Okay. So I can monitor it. If I see it go down below 0.259, then I'm going to set my take profit at 2.259. It's also based upon cracking and coming back up. I have a strong belief it's going to come back up to 0.476. It could be a while, folks. It could take a while. It could not take very long right here. We're right here. So we're not that far from it. So if I jump in today, I could set my take profit at right here. Write this down, 0.4326. And then the top would be 0.476. Okay. Right now, as of this video, is the 27th of February, 2022. It's around 3:20 p.m. Pacific time, not mountain time, as you're looking behind me. Look at that video. Wouldn't you guys like to go hang out there and camp there for a week and go fishing? Wow. Anyway, so next profit, here's some extra profit points from where it's at right now, 4.29 and then 4.52. And then ultimately on the swing back up to the top, 4.76, which is right there. For me, I'm jumping out there. I'm not setting it and feeling 100% sure it's going to hit these points. It could, but it also could keep dropping. The market has been dropping a lot lately. So my experience in a downward market is that it hits these points and then it starts a whole nother little level over here and it starts to go down a little bit more. So my takeout for the full thing would be right there, 0.476. But if I want a quick profit from where it's at right now at 0.392, I could take profit here, either one of these points or this point up here. Okay. So I hope that helps. For those of you guys that haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe now. Look over here. There's a little icon, subscribe, smack the bell. And if you have any friends that are in crypto, please send them a link to the video. Okay. So that they can see. All my videos are like this. You guys can go check them out. Let me share with you guys my channel. If you click on my username right there, you'll come to this page. But if you click on videos, you'll get my whole library and you can look at some of the recent ones. You can watch them. Here's all the coins. As they come around, I start letting you guys know, took profit, 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 took profit. And I'm just waiting for these other ones to come around. They'll come around. Here's my spreadsheet. I keep tabs on everything. It's a little messy, but I cleaned it up for you guys. So if anybody wants a copy of this spreadsheet, head over to Instagram to my investing points, send a DM message to me with your email address and request a copy of the spreadsheet. And I'll send you guys a blank one and you guys can just start plugging in your numbers for what coins you're stuck into. It also calculates out what your profit's going to be over here. Okay. And you can see here, I've got a whole bunch that are clearing here. Okay. I've got a couple more over here, two right there. And then over here, I've got 3 more right in there. And then if you guys are thinking, oh, well, that's not that many, go up here. Here's all the ones that I've cleared. You'll see some reds in there. That's because I got nervous on huge drops back in like May and stuff. And then I also had some stop losses, but I don't do the stop losses anymore. So I'm primarily green now. Okay. I might sell a little bit early. I might come in here. I made 100% of my money here. I put 500 in, I made 500. So, I mean, some of these I've got high percentages, 57%, 75%, 59%. Here's my entry. Here's the date I jumped in, the coin, the amount of I invested, how many coins I was able to buy. So my entry, my exit, my profit, and the percentage of profit. And then when I go to sell, I have a few options I put over here. I got selling options. If I want, I can sell 80% of my coins and keep 20% of the coins still live. So at 80%, it calculates it automatically. That's 36.36. And then the profit on the 80 right there would be that. And then coins left over, 909. And then the potential profit at that point. Okay. You know, if it goes higher, then it goes higher. But I don't really worry too much about this. I just basically will maybe take 80% of my money back. I'll go throw it into something else and I'll keep 20 in the coin because a lot of these coins will swing up over the course of a year. Okay. So thank you guys for watching. These spammers. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please thumbs up, subscribe, check me out on Instagram or Twitter, and I will add comments below. I want to hear your guys' stories. I do respond. Okay. So thanks guys for watching, and I'll upload this video Monday morning on the 28th. Okay. Bye-bye.